Good morning, it's me Ramesh. So here's my Fujifilm X-E4 with the 80mm f2 and 2 carrying bag because I really want to use as a street photography camera. So now let's do the unboxing. I really think the 80mm f2 combo will be good, but the problem is that 80mm f2 is not like a pancake, it's a cupcake lens. I really hope it can fit in the bag. So the cameraman, can you come here? Okay, just try to focus here, okay? And then let me just put here. Okay, let me make sure it's in focus. Right now I'm recording this video with the Panasonic S5 45mm f2.8 Sigma. Okay, here's the strap which you are getting. So can you show? Okay, strap. And here's some manual with a USB-C to 3.5mm. Let me just take this one. Okay, come on, put here. Okay, here's my camera in silver. I only pay like how much? I only pay around $600 from Amazon Japan. There was a deal going on, I just grabbed it. As you can see, can you show the camera from the front? It's silver color, I love it. The first impression is that it's super slippery. There's zero grip. Maybe this is one of the most uncomfortable or unergonomic camera in the world. Personally, I prefer the design of Canon M6 Mark II or even the Olympus EP7, EPL10, EPL9. This camera just wanna slide, or even the X-E3 or even the X Pro 3. This camera is a little bit harder to grip. But let me put the battery inside. Here's the battery, and then I'm putting the battery. Okay, and yeah, I have to put the memory card also. Memory card. I personally love using a micro SD card because some of the devices, they only accept micro SD nowadays. And here we go. And where's my lens? My 80mm f2. By the way, this is not a new lens. This I pay around $200 for this lens. This is a used lens. Okay, this is a used lens from Japan. The camera is brand new. There was a sale going on $600. Plus, I was looking for the 80mm f2. Like before the start of this Chinese virus, Chinese coronavirus, you can grab this 80mm f2 just for 150 brand new from Thailand, from eBay. Right now they are not selling it anymore, and the price is gone up. I do not understand why Fujifilm can't like release a version 2 of the 80mm f2. Again, this is not a pancake lens. Pancake lens have to be under 25mm. This is around 33mm. Definitely I'm not going to use a hood. What is the purpose of getting this lens if I'm going to use a hood? Why I won't get like the 23mm Viltrox? I mean, again, personally I do not like using hood. The only reason I use a hood if I'm like in a dusty environment where I'm worried that I'm going to make my camera fall. Can you show the cameraman first? Okay, now look at this combo. Can we fit in this outdoor bag? The question is that can we fit in this outdoor camera pouch? That is a question. Again, this I pay around $20. I really love it. Can I fit it or not? Okay, let me just put inside. Let me put this one on. Okay, it's a little bit harder to fit. As you can see, it's a little bit harder to fit. So can you focus here, from this way? Come, stand here, cameraman. So yeah, maybe if I take out the lens cap, then it can easily fit. Let me see. Yeah, without the lens cap it will be much easier to fit, as you can see. This one will work with the Fujifilm 27mm f2.8 in much better. Let me test the next camera bag. Okay, let me just put my camera here and put this kind of lens cap inside. and this one also inside. Okay, wait. And now, yeah, this one is from the Elecom S size. Also it have a belt pouch. I want to carry on my belt. Okay, can I fit or not? Yeah, this one is better, but again with the landscape it's a little bit like harder to fit. Also I have another camera bag which I bought for testing. This one can definitely fit and much comfortable. So can you show this from here? But this one can fit. So this one can fit, I know. This one is the Low Pro Adventure SH100 Mark II. So this one can easily fit, as you can see. It can easily fit. So yeah, let me just turn on the camera. Okay, let me just turn on the camera and do a first shot. Okay, English F2. Let me do it. So cameraman, can you come here? I want to take a shot.